I'm recording it.
Are you?
Yeah.
I just like a ton of screenshots.
Dorian is gonna kill us.
Alright, you ready?
I don't know. I think we should try to land it. I think we could crash land it.
I don't think we can.
Landed in the water.
Okay, Jet, if you bail, I'll just take controls.
Are you gonna?
Yeah, I'll take controls if you jump out.
Oh god, I noticed something. I can't fail.
It won't.
Double tap B.
What?
Double tap B.
I'll open the ramp, dude. At least that still works.
Double tap B.
It's eject.
Dude, Jet, are you listening to this thing in first person? It's beeping.
The C
Jet, listen in first person. It's just beeping.
under the F.
I can't. Well, I can't.
Okay.
Oh, hang on.
Jet, don't. I took the controls. I'm flying it.
How'd you take the controls?
Scroll wheel, take controls if you're in Copilot.
Dude, wait.
Do not touch it.
Spinning much. How
I know. Just do not touch it.
Oh, well. You might actually land it.
If I took controls and it didn't, I don't know why it's not shaking. I'm just holding Z down, and it's not shaking. That's all I'm doing, just holding Z and it's not shaking. It's turning slightly.
We might actually get it out
Is
of
auto hover on?
Yeah.
Okay, just
On.
cut it off. I'm gonna try to back it up. I'm gonna try to push it backwards and land on the airfield. I'm saving Dorian 2.1 million. Oh, it's rotating. It's rotating again.
Yeah, you're gaining speed.
Hang on. This will be landing of a century.
Landed.
I know. I'm just trying to touch it down. If I let off a Z, it starts turning.
Oh
God.
God, Will.
Uh,
The tree.
it's spinning now.
Go up.
Hang on, no. Oh, just hang on. Maybe it'll spin over the airfield. Okay, hold Z, hold Z. Put this bitch down.
Hey, go.
Yeah! Engine off, engine off, engine off. Oh my god, Jet has saved our lives. Oh my god, Jet.
Oh, that was great.
I think should I get a round of applause, Jet? Oh god. That's going on YouTube.